Welcome to you guys to another quick video on Inside the Yard. In this video, we will know why lawnmower died while mowing and won't start. Now, let's know the reasons with solutions. Reason number 1, breakdown of the safety switch. For this, all you need to do is unplug the broken safety switch and tighten the new one. Reason number 2, unexpected cable unplugging. In this case, rechecking the cable and tightening. Reason number 3, spark plug expired. In most cases, it occurs due to expiration and bad quality plug. You need to purchase a new pin and install it accordingly to fix this problem. And reason number 4, broken circuit board. In this situation, if you have general ideas about electric elements and can operate the meters, you can check the cables and circuit board. There are several reasons why the lawnmower died while mowing and won't start. We have only discussed the prime reasons behind this. Hope this video will help you to solve your problem. Well, you can also visit our page Inside the Yard to read this blog in details. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.